Check your blind spots.
Imagine you are in a workshop and the facilitator gives you a challenge. They hand you a small parcel and ask you to place it somewhere that everyone can see it except you. Where would you put it? Think about it for a moment. Got the answer? Yes. Place it on your head. Now everyone can see it except you.
Clever.
This simple riddle teaches us a profound lesson that we all have blind spots. These are the aspects of our personalities that others notice but we remain unaware of. It could be something trivial like how often we blink our eyes or repeat certain gestures, or it could be some important aspects as well. For example, some of our strengths or weaknesses that we don't realize but others clearly see them.
And weaknesses.
Fortunately, there are several self-discovery tools to help us identify and address these blind spots. One such tool is Johari window, designed to enhance self-awareness and improve communication within teams. How does it actually work? The Johari window model divides personal information into 4 quadrants or windows based on what is known or unknown to ourselves and to others. The first window is called open area, also called arena. These are the things known by us as well as others also know them. It includes behaviors, attitudes and information we are aware of and openly share. For example, you are aware that you are an organized and efficient worker, and your colleagues and friends also recognize this. Other examples could be everyone knows your likes and dislikes. For example, you love desserts, or you don't like to eat seafood, or you love watching movies but don't like outdoor sports, etc. This common understanding strengthens our bond with our friends or colleagues as they know how to plan activities that we'll enjoy. The second window is called blind area or blind spots. It includes things which are unknown by us but known by others. This includes aspects of ourselves, maybe some strengths, weaknesses, or other unique things in us that others notice but we are unaware of. For example, you may interrupt people without realizing it, but it's annoying for others. Another example could be you think you are a great listener, but your family often feels unheard because you are focused on formulating responses instead of truly listening. Unless they give you feedback, you remain unaware of this behavior, limiting your ability to improve communication with others. Another example could be you think you are always calm and composed, but your friends notice that you become passive-aggressive when you are stressed. You are unaware of this pattern until someone points it out. This area is where feedback is crucial. By actively seeking input from others and accepting their feedback instead of being defensive, you can identify and address these blind spots, improving your communication and relationships with others. The third window is called hidden area. It includes things which are only known by us but unknown by others. This may be personal information we choose to keep private, like some fears, insecurities, or emotions. For example, you may be struggling with personal challenges, but you don't share these even with your close friends or family. On the outside, you seem fine, but others are unaware of your internal struggles. Keeping too much hidden can make it difficult for others to support you. By selectively sharing with trusted individuals, you allow them to provide guidance and encouragement to help you cope up with your challenges. The fourth window is called unknown area, things which are unknown by us and also unknown by others. This includes undiscovered talents, abilities, or feelings. Neither we nor others are aware of these aspects. They may become apparent through new experiences or personal exploration. For example, you might have a hidden talent for painting, but since you have never tried it, neither you nor others are aware of this potential. What are the applications of this model? The goal of this exercise is to expand the open area by shrinking the blind area and hidden area. This leads to better self-awareness and improved communication with others. For example, feedback can reduce blind area by helping us see what others observe about us that we may not realize. Self-disclosure can reduce the hidden area by sharing more of our thoughts, feelings, and experiences with others. As a result, we and those around us understand each other better, which can lead to improved trust and stronger relationships with friends, family, and colleagues. Another tool that can significantly improve your self-awareness is a SWOT analysis. I have a detailed video with plenty of examples to help you perform a personal SWOT analysis. You must check it.